India is a powerhouse in the global paddy export market, producing vast quantities of rice thanks to its fertile land and favorable climate. Exporting paddy, or unhusked rice, offers lucrative opportunities for Indian traders, especially as global demand continues to rise. India is the world's largest rice exporter, shipping 19.86 million tons of rice between April 2024 and March 2025, surpassing the previous year's 16.36 million tons. Basmati rice contributed 5.94 million tons, while parboiled rice accounted for 9.04 million tons. India's rice exports are valued at $10.76 billion, dominating the global market. To export paddy from India, start by identifying the correct harmonized system, such as 1006 1TO for paddy. Secure essential documents like an import-export code, a PETA registration, and quality certificates, including ISO 22000 and HACCP. Stay updated on export policies via the Directorate General of Foreign Trade and ensure compliance with food safety standards through FSSAI and PETA. Top importers of Indian rice include Bangladesh, Nepal, the United Arab Emirates, and Saudi Arabia. Leading Indian exporters are Shiv Shakti International, KRBL Limited, and Sri Krishna Rice Mills. Careful planning, compliance, and reliable data sources like export-import data are key to success in India's thriving paddy export sector.